Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how I make Goma salad dressing, sesame salad dressing. First, I'm going to add kuro goma abura, which is a black sesame oil. This oil is made by roasting sesame seeds very long time. This has no bitter taste but very strong sesame flavor. And I add komezu, which is the rice vinegar. And if the oil is 1 and 3 or 4 for vinegar, I think mine's are 4. Now I'm going to add Shiro goma, which is white sesame seeds paste. You may think that the amount of oil that I'm using here is not enough, but the sesame seeds have about 50% of oil content. So sesame paste has a lot of oil in it already. That's why I didn't use a lot of oil. Now I'm going to add Hachimitsu, which is honey. I like honey better than sugar because it melts quicker than the sugar. That's why I'm using honey here. Now I'm going to add Usukuchi Shoyu, which is light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is lighter in color and saltier compared with the dark soy sauce. So I don't want to put too much dark color to this dressing, so I'm using Usukuchi Shoyu, which is light soy sauce. This is the Shiro Goma. It's white sesame seeds. I'm adding it I just wanted to have some crunchiness. And this is everything. I just put the lid on it. And I'm gonna shake it. And you don't need to put this dressing into the refrigerator because I didn't add anything that I require to be refrigerated. Also, I didn't add ingredients that like garlic, ginger, mayonnaise, and herb. I didn't tell you how much honey you should put, how much paste you should add, how much soy sauce you should add, right? It's because, it depends on what you use. What kind of vinegar you use, honey you use, paste you use, and soy sauce and stuff like that. But the basic rules are same, I think, in all the dressing. 1 oil, 3 or 4 vinegar, and you need something saltiness, right? So from there, you just need to add sesame seeds paste and a soy sauce and something sweet. You mix it, taste it, and if you like it, that's your dressing. And if you feel that you need more sweetness, then you should add more sugar or honey. If you want more saltiness, then you should put just more soy sauce. If you need more sesame flavor, then you should add some sesame paste. I hope you give a try, and I'm sure you like it. And if you have any question, please give me a comment. I will try to answer. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.